In this video, we will show you how to file a California electronic cigarette excise tax return. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to our website, cdtfa.ca.gov, and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services Login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services Login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services Profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the California Electronic Cigarette Excise Tax hyperlink. This will take us to the California Electronic Cigarette Excise Tax, abbreviated as CECET, account page. Under the Periods tab, find the period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the first quarter of 2024, which is displayed by its return period end date of March 31, 2024. Click on the File Return hyperlink. This will take us to the e-cigarette tax return submission page. On this page, we will enter the total retail sales of electronic cigarettes subject to CECET for all locations. Do not include sales tax in this total. In our example, we had $4,000 in retail sales of electronic cigarettes subject to CECET for all locations to report. The CECET rate, total amount of CECET, CECET reimbursement rate, less retailer reimbursement, and the total amount of CECET after retailer reimbursement will be automatically calculated. Any rates reflected in this example are for illustration purposes only. You can view current rates at our website, cdtfa.ca.gov. For help with your return, you can click on the hyperlink Online Filing Instructions. If you wish, you can save a draft of your return so you can come back to it at a later date by clicking on the Save Draft button. Enter your password. Then click OK. You have now saved a draft. You can continue editing, finish later, or print return. For now, let's continue editing and click Continue Editing. We are now back to your return. If everything is correct, click Next. This takes us to the Excess CECET Collected page. Excess CECET collected can occur in the following situations. When CECET is computed on a transaction which is not subject to CECET. When CECET is computed on an amount in excess of the amount subject to CECET. When CECET is computed using a CECET rate higher than the rate imposed by law. And when mathematical or clerical errors result in an overstatement of the CECET on a billing. If you collected more CECET from your customers than the amount calculated on your return, you will report the excess here. In our example, we do not have any excess CECET to report. We will leave this field blank and then click Next. Review the summary page. If you need to make adjustments, click Previous. If the information displayed on the page is correct, click Next. On the Your Information page, review the pre-filled information and make changes if necessary. Make sure to complete the required fields. You will be asked if you are a page preparer. In our example, we are not a paid preparer and will select No. Once all the fields are complete, click Submit to continue. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your report is true, correct, and complete. Please read this information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This confirmation page represents a return filing only. Please take note of your confirmation number and total amount due. We recommend that you print this page. To print your submitted return, click on the Print Return button. To make an electronic payment, click on the Make a Payment button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115 TTY at 711.